Today, you're going to learn how to calculate UK dividend tax using ChatGPT as your personal tax assistant. I'll walk you through the exact prompts that help you work out which dividends are taxable, how much of your allowance you've used, and what tax rate applies to you. This video is perfect for beginners, investors, small business owners, and anyone earning dividends from UK companies, foreign companies, or investment platforms. Before you begin, gather your dividend statements for the tax year. This includes payouts from shares, investment apps, index funds, or dividends from your own limited company. If you're unsure which payments count as dividends, the first prompt will clarify that. Once you're ready, start with this simple prompt. Create a beginner-friendly checklist of what I need to calculate my UK dividend tax, including income, allowances, and tax rates. You'll get a clear overview of everything required before calculating. Next, personalize your calculation using this prompt. Help me calculate my UK dividend tax. Ask me questions about my dividend income and other income, then show me a simple breakdown of my tax. After answering, you'll receive a clear summary showing your total dividends, how much is covered by the dividend allowance, and what portion is taxable. To better understand your tax rate, use this. Explain which dividend tax rate applies to me, basic, higher, or additional rate, with simple examples. This helps you see exactly how your tax band affects your dividend tax bill. If you want to double check your numbers, use this mistake checklist. Give me a short list of common mistakes people make when calculating UK dividend tax so I can avoid them. Finally, set yourself up for future tax years with this habit prompt. Create a simple routine to track my dividend income each month so next year's tax calculation is easier. And that's it. UK dividend tax becomes much easier to understand when you follow a clear structure and keep track of your income throughout the year. Use these prompts, stay organised, and always confirm important tax details with HMRC if you're unsure. These steps work perfectly when used inside ChatGPT. Comment down below the topics or challenges you want help with so I can show you the right prompts to get the most out of ChatGPT.